I'll walk you through a simple, beginner-friendly, step-by-step setup for the HP DeskJet 2800e works for Windows, macOS, Android, iPhone. I'll keep each step short and practical and include small troubleshooting tips along the way. Quick checklist before you start. Wi-Fi network name SSID and password ready. A smartphone, tablet, or computer with internet access. The printer box, power cord, and ink cartridges from the box. Close to the Wi-Fi router for initial setup. HP Setup uses the HP Smart app. Don't use USB for initial setup on HP Plus models. Step-by-step setup. 1. Unbox and remove packaging. 1. Remove printer from the box. 2. Remove all tape, cardboard, and protective film from outside and inside the printer open paper tray, ink access area. 3. Keep the setup guide and cartridges handy. Do not force anything. Follow visible tabs/labels. 2. Plug in and power on. 1. Connect the power cord to the printer and to a wall socket. 2. Press the power button. Wait for the printer to initialize. The control panel lights will show status. 3. Install the ink cartridges. 1. Open the ink access door. The carriage will move to the center. 2. Remove protective tape from new cartridges. Do not touch the copper contacts or ink nozzles. 3. Insert each cartridge into the correct slot and push until it clicks. Close the ink access door. 4. The printer may automatically prompt to align cartridges. Allow it. 4. Load paper. 1. Pull out the input tray and slide paper guides outward. 2. Load A4 or letter plain paper into the tray and adjust guides so paper sits snugly. 3. Open the output tray so printed pages won't fall. 5. Install HP Smart app and software. 1. On your phone/tablet, open the App Store, Google Play, and install HP Smart. On a computer, go to 123hp.com to download the setup app/software. 2. Open the HP Smart app and follow the on-screen steps. If asked, sign in or create an HP account. Some HP Plus features require it. 6. Connect the printer to Wi-Fi. You have 2 common choices. Use HP Smart guided setup recommended. The app will search for the printer and walk you through connecting it to your Wi-Fi. Enter SSID/password when prompted. WPS if your router supports it. Press WPS on router, then press the printer wireless button sequence per the manual. Important: the DeskJet 2800e supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. Ensure your phone/computer is on the same network and that you're not connected to a 5 GHz only SSID during setup. Do not use USB for initial setup on HP Plus printers. 7. Add the printer in HP Smart and finish setup. 1. HP Smart tap plus add printer or set up a new printer. 2. Select your printer from the list. Follow prompts to finish registration and firmware updates. 3. Print a test page or alignment page from the app to confirm everything works. Quick troubleshooting if something goes wrong. Printer not found by app. Ensure phone/computer on same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and printer Wi-Fi light is blinking. Turn printer and router off/on and try again. Wi-Fi reset for printer. Press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons together until power light flashes. Refer manual for exact sequence to put the printer into Wi-Fi setup mode, then retry HP Smart cartridge errors. Remove and reinsert cartridges. Ensure all tape is removed and contacts are clean. Run the printer's cartridge alignment/clean from the app. Only print grayscale or poor quality. Run print head cleaning from HP Smart and ensure correct paper/settings. Useful links and resources. Official HP DeskJet 2800e setup page, step guides and videos. HP user guide PDF. Step illustrations and full troubleshooting. Quick video